Connecting your calendar is pretty straightforward in HubSpot. It's very similar to connecting your inbox. And it allows us to not only leverage meeting links, but integrate that calendar with HubSpot to track meetings on contacts, companies. So if we're starting off on the dashboard in HubSpot, we can go up to the top right and click our settings icon. And then once we click our settings icon, we're going to want to go to general settings. So again, probably most likely looking at the general settings in HubSpot. So up at the top here, we're going to click the calendar tab. And once we're on the calendar tab, we can see all of our calendar settings. But to connect our calendar, we're going to click this big orange button that says connect your calendar. And that's going to ask us for our email calendar provider. So if you're using Outlook, we'll click Outlook. If you're using Gmail or Google, we'll click Gmail or Google. And then if we're using Microsoft Exchange, we will click Microsoft Exchange. Please note that if you are using Microsoft Exchange, you are able to use calendar links, and that will sync meetings between both your HubSpot and Outlook calendar. But if you're creating meetings on one of those calendars manually, it will not sync to the other. So just one thing to keep in mind there if you're using Microsoft Exchange for calendar links and scheduling. So if we click Microsoft Outlook, because that is our calendar provider, we can go to connect your calendar. It will give you a disclaimer. Again, I recommend reading this disclaimer as well as sharing the security link and FAQ page with your IT team just to keep them in the loop. If everything looks good, we're going to hit accept and connect Outlook 365 calendar, which is going to take us to a page to log in within Office 365 or Gmail to connect that account with HubSpot. And once you finish logging in either of them, it will finish the connection process and send you to this page where you can then see that your calendar is connected with HubSpot. And that's the whole process. That's the entire, those are all the steps. And that's the entire process to connect your calendar with HubSpot. Hope it helps. Thanks.